Today we have Dr. Vimal with us. So welcome, Dr. Vimal. Tell us something about what is blockchain, please.
Thank you, Dr. Lokesh, for inviting me on the talk show, which is really a very good platform set up by you. I congratulate for the same. Yeah. So yes, I've been working with the blockchain technology since last almost 10 months, and I've explored this field. So if we talk about the concept of blockchain, that is now coming up very rapidly in the technology world. So like why this blockchain is coming up and what are the regions and what is blockchain, so that we need to know it. Actually, there has been a lot of technology or computing paradigm shift since the starting of computers. Like in the beginning, we were having a computing paradigm that was based on the mainframe computing that was completely centralized, like client server computing, where the machine were having also some of the resources, some of the computing was also done. So cryptocurrencies came into existence in 2009 when Satoshi Nakamoto invented the Bitcoin. So since then, it has been a unregulated kind of platform where people around the world were doing the trading in cryptocurrencies, and so since then, this blockchain has been emerging as a very impressive technology for the computing platforms.
Sorry, I'm interrupting you. I guess most of the person who are not related with the computer science are so fascinated about the cryptocurrency. And maybe they are not aware about the blockchain technology, but still, maybe they are not the computer science engineers. They are very fascinated about the cryptocurrency and the bitcoins especially. So I think that we can share with those person also who are not actually computer science background.
Yeah, sure. See, now this blockchain technology is going to enter into the public space very soon. Down the line, for 5 years, we will see that every tech company is going to adopt this technology. So everybody must know that, like for example, now the blockchain is going to be in the field of like beyond cryptocurrency. So like beyond cryptocurrency means, like for example, it can be in the voting process.
If I'm not wrong, I can relate this blockchain with the security.
Sure. You are absolutely right. Like blockchain itself is like, it is if we can define it, blockchain is a platform which consists the blocks which are connected with the hash. So hash is basically like it is a complete cryptographic process that is taking the input, the complete transactions which are stored into the block, and then that is stored as a hash for the previous block. So yes, security is one of the aspect where all the blocks, all the records are immutable in nature, and the blocks they are using a decentralized ledger technology that is known as DLT. So this blockchain is basically a complete decentralized system. So nowadays we are listening a word that is DApp. So that is known as decentralized application. So we are now shifting from the centralized application towards the decentralized application DApp. And you are absolutely right that security is one of the prime you can say USP of the blockchain. And in the blockchain space, if we are having some record on the blockchain like Ethereum, Hyperledger or Solana, Polygon, so a lot of examples, a lot of platforms are there which are really nowadays very popular in this blockchain space.
Because it became very popular in the last few years when the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency came in the picture.
From 2009 to 2015, it was completely cryptocurrency. But from 2015 onwards, now the blockchain is beyond cryptocurrency. That is, it is entering into the other business domain. Like for example, supply chain, food chain, land records, and healthcare. So all these different business domain, they are also going to adopt this blockchain because of like there is a traceability, there is a trackability, there is a security, there is a you can say immutability of the records. So there are a lot of things which are making the blockchain popular amongst most of the business people.
Okay, Dr. Vimal, one more question from my side, that is how we can relate this blockchain with full stack technology?
Yeah, Dr. Lokesh, a very important question. Since we have been working with blockchain, like I said, it is a decentralized application. So application is always a full stack application. If we start from, like, it is started from the front end, so the front end is developed like for example in React, or maybe some HTML, PHP or JavaScript. So that kind of technology are being used for the development of the front end, and then we are having a back end in blockchain that is developed with the help of some of the frameworks like Truffle, Remix, which is an online IDE, and also with the help of like some programming languages like Solidity, and we have like Golang, also Python also being used for the development of smart contract. So the smart contract is basically one of the important term that is being used for the purpose of developing the front end, back end, and we have to have a connection between the front end and back end so that it is a completely full stack.
Yes. Means if full stack students are looking forward the blockchain and security, so they are really going to get great benefit.
Dr. Lokesh, definitely, like blockchain is not limited to the people who are doing the blockchain specialization, and most of the students are like, they are not necessarily belonging to blockchain specialization. Few of them are from AI, they are from the full stack also, some of the students. So definitely, I mean, blockchain is nothing which is limited to a blockchain specialization. Anybody can do it who is knowing the full stack, and the full stack people are having an advantage that they know that how to develop a front end, how to develop a back end, and how to have a connection between front end and a back end.
I'm really thinking that students can look forward to this technology blockchain, and they can make some good projects the full stack.
Thank you, Dr. Lokesh, for inviting me here. I am very fortunate enough to give this information to all the students who are really passionate about the blockchain, and specifically those who are doing the full stack, and because they are having an edge over the others, because they know that how to do the full stack. So blockchain, they need only to learn some of the technology like Truffle and some of the programming language that is used in the backend development. Other than that, they are already ready for the blockchain projects.
Thank you so much, Dr. Vimal. Thank you all for joining us.
Thank you, Dr. Lokesh.